can join me on Instagram, English with Djibril. You can follow me on YouTube, etc. if you want to learn English, because I have been learning English more than 2 years, 2 years 6 months, and now my English is improved. I use a lot of technique, method, tip and trick, and I practice with a lot of people, and I joined some English platform to practice together. Now my English is better than before, and if you want to learn English, practice your English, speak English fluently, confidently. If you want to know the method to use to improve your English, your speaking, listening, reading, writing, and stuff like this, you can join me, contact me on Instagram, English with Djibril, or on YouTube, English with Djibril. You're gonna have a lot of information to that's gonna help you to improve your English, definitely.